Good morning, all of you. Today I am Akshat Yadav. Describe the process of photosynthesis in green plants. So, first, we all know what is photosynthesis. Photosynthesis is the physiochemical process by which green plant use light energy to synthesize organic compounds, or in simple words, the process in which the material is taken in the form of carbon dioxide and water, which is converted into carbohydrates or glucose in the presence of sunlight or chlorophyll, is called photosynthesis, or it is the basis of life on earth. Ultimately, all living form depends on sunlight for energy. Importance of photosynthesis: it is the primary source of all food on earth. It releases oxygen into the atmosphere. Some experiments related with photosynthesis. First experiment: variegated leaf experiment. Take a variegated leaf or leaf partially covered with black pepper that was exposed to light. Test the leaves for starch. It shows the photosynthesis occur only in green plants of the leaves in presence of light, as you all see in the figure. Next experiment: half leaf experiment. A part of a half leaf is enclosed in the test tube containing KOH soaked cotton or potassium hydroxide soaked cotton, which absorbed CO2, carbon dioxide. The other half of leaf is exposed to air. Place this setup in light for some time. Test the leaf for presence of starch. Exposed part shows positive for starch and portion in test tube shows negative. As you see in the portion inside the bottle shows negative and outside the positive. This proves that carbon dioxide is required for photosynthesis. By the middle of 19th century, it was discovered that plant use light energy to make carbohydrates from carbon dioxide and water. In chemical equation, the process of photosynthesis is 6CO2 plus 12H2O in the presence of chlorophyll and sunlight. It gives C6H12O6, which is glucose, plus 6O2 plus 6H2O. Sorry for the wrong chemical equation. It is my mistake, where C6H12O6 is represent a carbohydrates. Sorry for that, CCH2O. This is wrong. Some factors affecting photosynthesis, like temperature. Dark reactions being enzymatic are temperature controlled. Influence of temperature on light reaction is very less. The C4 plants respond to higher temperature and shows higher rate of photosynthesis. C3 plants have a much lower temperature optimum. The temperature optimum of plants also depends on their habitat. Tropical plants have a higher temperature optimum than the plants adapted to temperature climates. The second factor is water. Water stress close the stomata, hence reduce the carbon dioxide availability. Water stress also wilts leaves, thus reduce the surface area of leaves and their metabolic activity. Thank you for the presentation. Okay.